brother, take my advice for 40 years experience, yeah? If you wanted to make your wife happy or your girlfriend, give all the money you have. Give the credit card, give the bank account, everything, and work 7 to 7. You need to work 7 to 7, hard work, be a gentleman, make your woman happy. That's the only way you can make your woman happy. You understand me? She give you a baby, she give you a human who can call you daddy. Your money cannot give you a human, okay? Your money is nothing. Money is nothing. Money is dirty, brother. This is a man's world, but it will be nothing. Nothing without women and children. Oh, you understand me? That legend. I understand. James Brown said to you, this is a man's world, but it will be nothing without women and children. So give the money to the woman. No accountability. Don't ask where she is spending the money.